morning. Today we are going to study about videos about Bhagavad Gita. We all know that Bhagavad Gita means Song of God, and right. So Bhagavad Gita means Song of God. Here we are going to see the concept of Song of God. First, as we start with Bhagavad Gita, if you see, Bhagavad Gita is actually a Gita, if you see, Bhagavad means God, and Gita means song. So basically this is like in Hindu philosophy, they divided the life into, in Hindu philosophy they divided the life into 4 stages. That is called Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha. So if you see Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha, here the book, actually if you see the Bhagavad Gita is actually designed for moksha, like moksha, because the one who is asking the question, like if you see Arjuna is the he is asking the questions, right? Like, do you think like a student or seeker, right, or disciple, whatever name you give, or a intelligent person, or in my own language we have to be a researcher, right? So what he is asking is, his questions are given like that. So he knows already, the guy who is going to ask the question, he knows all the basically Artha. Dharma means virtue, the Artha means wealth, Moksha means Kama means this one, what is it? Desire. Moksha is freedom, simple words, liberation, like that. Now the answer who is giving for the question, one who is asking question is Arjuna, is intelligent person. The answer is giving to the questions are called God. So here if you see God, like God is giving answers in it's very subtle answer. Basically this book Bhagavad Gita leads you to moksha. So without knowing Dharma, Artha, Kama, you cannot get moksha. So moksha is the topmost goal, or I can say like topmost desire. We say mumukshutva. Mumukshutva is like the highest desire in the world. Like, see, without desire we cannot live. So, but what is the highest desire which is fit in the religious is called moksha. Okay, moksha means freedom. Freedom is from what? That is we are going to discuss. So, Bhagavad Gita, if you see, a person who is having intelligent knowledge, he has intelligence, like Arjuna, who struck in a problem where the solution for the problem is not able to find. He is not able to find the solution for the problem, and he is literally stuck in the process of solving the problem. Now, what are the thoughts comes in his mind when that state? That's called that's all the questions comes. Like, for example, if we take my life also, everybody life will have one state in life where we know, like, it's not like we are fools or unintelligent guys. We know a lot of things, we learned all the things, we manage, but there is a state comes in life where all our knowledge, all our skills will not be useful. So when you reach that state, if you go through that state, you will understand your dharma, artha, kama will not help. There is something else we need a help. So that time we will go and ask, like a well-wisher or a friend, or I can say like well-wisher or a friend, or we say like in master or guru, right? Parents, whoever, like whoever want to, you can ask. Sometimes teachers also we go and ask, right? So these people are actually going to give you some answers for your problem. I actually went through the same situation. Then I tried to understand the Bhagavad Gita. So Bhagavad Gita is the situation comes but in everybody's life where your intelligence is not going to help to solve your problems. Then you need a wise person. Generally we say wise person, who is going to give you the answer. The answer is where we call it as truth. So now what God is going to give answer, like God here in this case, God is called what? Krishna, right? Yes. So name is Krishna. Okay. So God is called Krishna. Like what God is going to tell you is what God is giving answer to the so finally what we understand, like for example, I have a problem, I'm going to have somebody, my friend or well-wisher, and he gave me one answer. So what answer I will get? The answer is nothing but truth. So God gave, or let us keep like this, Krishna told or gave, Krishna gives or something like that. It's why I'm saying gives is it's like a present continuous. It always will be there. Eternal. It's eternal quest. Krishna gives answers for Arjuna's problem. Arjuna's problems. Right, Krishna gives Arjuna's problems. The answer, what is the Krishna answer is called truth. So here Krishna is going to tell the truth. So truth always trumps, there is a word like truth always wins, right? So truth always wins. Although false looks like it's winning, but if you see long run, truth always wins. So that's the point Krishna wants to reveal it. So truth is the final goal we achieve. So what is truth and how to achieve the truth? And like you can understand this the way how the Bhagavad Gita is structured. So Bhagavad Gita is structured in this way, like Arjuna is asking questions. Arjuna is in a situation where he is not able to solve his problem by himself. He is going for a counseling. He is going to counseling. This time he himself is a intelligent person, so he need a higher level. So he is going to God level person or wise person for counseling. Now that guy, he is giving a counseling. What he is telling is totally different. He is not telling about the same thing like do this, do that. Instead, he is talking about the truth. Understand the truth, realize the truth, then do what you are supposed to do. Do your work. Like that is the way. See how the Bhagavad Gita is said like this. The answer is like this. Let us write down answer. Understand the truth and do your duty. Simple. The two steps. Understand the truth, do your duty. Now what is the goal, he will ask. Okay, if I do this, what is the goal? The goal also is given in the Bhagavad Gita. So if you see Bhagavad Gita is actually designed in such a manner. We actually like this. It is having 18 chapters. Structure, if you see, it has 18 chapters. That 1 to 6 they divide, then 7 to 12, I think, yeah, then 13 to, then we have 13 to 18, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, yeah, 6. So 6 chapters they have classified. So first 6 chapters, like what they talk about is, we say Tvam, Tuvam, Tat, see, okay, like this. Tvam means it talks about our humans, Arjuna's dilemmas and the solution for human mind problems, or I can say human problems, solution for human problems. Okay, now, okay, this is the way they decide. Tuam, about us. Tuam means, like for example, Tuam, you. Okay, now you is, what is you? You are having so many problems in your life and you are trying to solve this problem in your life, like this all are that Tuam. That is that. When you see that, the that is a very important concept here. This is called knowledge, or I can say, like, instead of knowledge I'll use the word wisdom and science of wisdom, like science, we can say Vijnanam. So Jnanam and Vijnanam, like wisdom and science, basically they are discussing here. Or I can say like truth, right? So the point here is Asi. Asi means art. The goal is you are art, or you are actually are. So the point here is what he is trying to finally, what the truth he is trying to tell is, like Vivekananda said, every soul is potentially divine, right? So that is the truth he is trying to say. So everybody is having the divine thing, but to understand that, first we have to understand the truth. To understand the truth, like this is the art or methods to become wise, or what do you say, like God, or what, God experienced, something like that. So there are different methods are there how to achieve that. We are going to study in this. Now if you see this 18 chapters, the first we are going to understand the dilemma of Arjuna, and what are the solutions for that our human problems, and then finally we are going to understand the 72. We are going to understand the so this whole chapter 7 to 12 we are going to understand what is God, or what is this truth, all these things. Then 13 to 18 we are going to understand the methods how to achieve it, or how to realize it. So this is the way they have designed it. So what we will do is, this is the structure of Bhagavad Gita. Then what we will do is, we will actually build one by one. So the whole book Bhagavad Gita is designed like this. Tat Tuvam Asi. Tatvamasi. Tatvamasi means you are God, like this you can say. Okay, this is a Mahavakya. So Tatvamasi is you are God, like that you are. Technically talking, that you are. That you are. Right? What is this that? That is nothing but God. Something like that. Understand? Clear, right? Okay, so hope this is informative for you. Thanks for watching.